Good morning, students. It's me, Dakshina, with my next video. Today, we will solve some questions which may help in your forthcoming exam. So, let's start the whole question based on your first to fifth unit. What First question is, what do you mean by values or human values? Or you can say, what is value education? Why there is a need of value education? Or you can see a different way, how does value education helps in fulfilling one's aspirations? And the answer is character oriented education that instills basic values and ethic values in one's psyche is called value based education. The subject that enables us to understand what is valuable for human happiness is called value education. Value education is important to help everyone in improving the value system that he or she holds and puts it to use. Once one has understood his or her values in life, she can examine and control the various choices he or she makes in his or her life. Value education enables us to understand our needs and visualize our goals correctly and also helps to remove our confusions and contradictions and bring harmony at all levels. It also helps removes our confusions and contradictions and enables us to rightly utilize the technological innovations. Values form the basis for all our thoughts, behaves and actions. Once we know that is valuable to us, these values becomes the basis, the anchor for our actions. We also need to understand the universality of various human values because only then we can have a definite and common program for value education. Then only we can be assured of a happy and harmonious human society. Next, we will discuss what are the basic guidelines for value education. Answer: the subject that enables us to understand what is valuable for human happiness is called value education. In order to qualify for any course on value education, the following guidelines for the content of the course are important. Universal, it needs to be applicable to all the human beings, irrespective of caste, creed, nationalities, religion, etc. For all times and regions. Rational, it has to appeal to human reasoning, it has to be amendable to reasoning and not based on dogmas or blind beliefs. Natural and verifiable, it has to be naturally acceptable to the human being who goes through the course, and when we live on the basis of such values, it leads to our happiness. It needs to be experientially verifiable and not based on dogmas, beliefs, or assumptions. All encompassing. Value education is aimed at transforming our consciousness and living. Hence, it needs to cover all the dimensions through behavior, work, and levels of human life and profession, leading to harmony. The value education ultimately is targeted to promote harmony. within the individual, among human beings, and with nature. Thank you.